Roulette with pear.
Huh? Okay. Okay, so we have two more drinks. We have Premium Boss and Pineapple question mark.
Yes. Oh, is it a soda? Actually, I assume it was a... Okay.
It's very much like a lilt. It's a fizzy tropical pineapple juice.
Oh. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yum. That was
just like drinking what's in the end of my coffee. Like when you do a coffee pod, you end up with like some of the coffee juice at the end. That's what it tastes like. I will drink it, but it's not good.